G'day guys, it's Beachy here from Drifta. Just want to do a quick walkthrough video of this four-wheel drive Hino that we've just fitted out. So real nice truck, ready for adventures anywhere in Australia, I'd say. She's pretty capable rig. So yeah, obviously big living space on the back, and then at the front here the customer's got this canopy on there, so we've decked this out as per what they needed. So basically what we've got here is a series of drawers. We've got two large drawers sort of on the bottom, as you can see here, and then above that another single drawer which is a bit shallower and a bit wider at the top. One of Drifta's pull-out tables, so you can pull the table halfway out and use it as a bench like this, or pull it out and set it up on the ground and it sets up freestanding. And then yeah, Bushman bar fridge in here. So this is the 130 litre bar fridge, good fridge, little freezer compartment, very popular. And then also included in this build, we've done a pretty involved 12 volt setup. So we've got this panel here, which is our 12 volt panel, and then this is actually bolted on with 4 screws, and you unbolt the panel, and then inside here, as you can see, there's two 200 lithium batteries in here, so 400 amp hours of lithium, big 50 amp DC to DC charger. There's an AC charger in there, a 2600 watt inverter. We've got a solar panel up on the cab of the truck. So yeah, very capable 12 volt system as well. So also, as you can see, it's pretty high. So yeah, with a high truck like this, of course access is always going to be a bit tricky, but yeah, it's just the price you pay for having such a big and capable vehicle. So yeah, these customers, they devise their own little step system here, which is pretty cool. So it just hooks onto the tie rail there, and yeah, so that makes it easy for them to access all the stuff up high in the drawers, plus on top of the units, because the units are pretty high. So you climb up them steps, you can get up there, and you know, you've got heaps of room inside the canopy up here. So yeah, pretty nice having a little ladder like that, nice and easy, just unclips and then packs away. Round on the driver's side then, so yeah, another slide out table at the bottom, similar to the other side, and then we've got these 3 large drawers, so 3 real big drawers. So as you can see, with all the drawers on this side and the other side, we've put these fold-in stainless steel handles on them. They're just really nice handles, and with the drawer being so high, it just makes opening the drawers much easier because you've got a nice handle to grip hold of. This big cavity here is for a washing machine. So yeah, once they get possession of this vehicle back, the customer's going to fit the washing machine in there. And again, we've just got the power system all ready here for them, all ready to go. So yeah, doing more and more of these larger 4-wheel drive trucks these days, so they're pretty nice to work on. It's always good to be part of someone's project, someone's dream. So yeah, any questions, just email me, mark@drifta.com.au. all right, thanks for watching guys.